Hi, I'm Janet from Twisted Oak Farm and Gift Shop. I don't know if you can see out my window there. That is snow. It is snowing so hard here in Michigan. But we're inside where it's warm and cozy, and today what I have for you is unboxing of a package that I received from Lisa at Bumblebee Corners. We're part of Sonnet's membership group, and we have a challenge. Everyone that wanted to participate in the group, we drew names. You put together some stuff out of your stash, sent it to the person whose name you drew, which Lisa drew my name. I drew Amanda from Reclaimed Ranch's name, so I sent a package to her. And on, oh gosh, when is our thing? Our next, it'll be Flipping into Spring video, which I believe will be coming out in April. I have to look at that. But anyway, I have a few weeks to take what's in this box and flip it, make things, come up with a vignette. And anyway, I'll quit jabbering. Let's get started. Let me move the camera down here just a little bit. So you're going to see for the first time, just as I am, because I have not opened this. It's still sealed. Okay. First of all, we have packing supplies. I got a cute little note from Lisa. Same more. And there's some ephemera pages in here. Love them, love them, love them, love them. So this is the first thing I saw on the top of the box. Aside from the sweet little note, thank you, Lisa. Put that aside. Ooh, look at this. I have, it looks like a pillowcase, I think. Yep. A beautiful embroidered pillowcase. Look at that, isn't that? It's so pretty. And let's see what I have here. Oh, look at these sweet little jars. They're so cute. I love littles. There's two little jars. And I have, looks like a scarf, table scarf. That beautiful lace. I'll wear it around my neck. Okay. A little metal pail with handles. And some of these, I don't know exactly what you call them, they're decorative table or bowl fillers. There's a whole bag of them. And, ooh, look, I got some keys. And a key tag, a leather key tag. This is going to be a fun upcycle. Oops, where's my key? I don't know what these are. They almost look like they could cover some, I don't know. I don't know what they are. But I got those. And these, which could fit on there. I think Lisa's really challenging me here. And